Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically you're using Shopify for a while now and you just want to go ahead and set up a local pickup in the Shopify in the 2026 version. Well, let's say you want a customer to pick up orders directly from your store or warehouse, it depends on your options. Shopify's local pickup feature makes it very easy. So in today's small tutorial, I'm really gonna show you all of them steps needed so we can achieve this results basically. You're gonna go all the way to your favorite browser, look for shopify.com in the search bar, and also make sure you are fully connected to the internet. It will take you to a new window where you should usually log in using your email address and password. After this, we should go all the way to settings from here in this top. No, actually in the left corner. Why it's not the top left corner? We're gonna go and look for shipping and delivery. Well, shipping and delivery have multiple options, including domestic, international, and more. Find the local pickup basically option, including this shipping documents, customized store name on shipping labels, back and zip template, custom order fulfillment. You can add some services as well. Enable third party if you want to. Connect your existing shipping career account to use your own rates. You can even basically add the packages or change the package if you want to. You can also add delivery customization. You can also connect the app, pickup, and store. And that's it basically. You're just gonna go and set up the pickup and store or local delivery, depends on you. And when you enable it, you should set the pickup instructions like pickup hours and directions. After it's fully done, all you're gonna do is save the changes. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.